Okay, this is actually the application of trig ratios on 2D, two-dimensional diagrams. Again, Nambili. This is the statement about in the diagram below the triangle ABC, the triangle ACD, and ADE are right angle triangled. And immediately it's a right angle triangle, it means that you can use trig ratios to determine other sides. Again, then the triangle BA, the angle BAE is equals to 90. They're talking about this angle here. And then furthermore, they said that and BAC like an angle bar is equals to 30 degrees, and then the side BC, which is this side, which is equals to 20, and bar AD is equals to 60. And then how level the triangle they differ. The triangle ABC in a one side and one angle. Again, the triangle ACD in only one side. Again, the triangle ADE only one side, but you cannot use the trig ratios if you only have one side or you only have one angle. We can use the trig ratios if and only if you have one side and one angle, or you have got two sides, or you have got two sides. So now instead of using this triangle and this triangle, because in a angle one side. So it's easy for us for the side the trig ratios. Again, now steps what we call identification of sides. So to identify my side. Again, number identify our reference angle. Our reference angle is this 30 here. Okay. Namle ka masite re lebeletse 30. Side la adjacent to this 30, le side le opposite to this 30, and hypotenuse. We know that hypotenuse le side la always opposite to the right angle. Our AC in this case is our hypotenuse. Again, then this side BC, because it is opposite to this angle, and this side is the opposite sides, and this side, because it makes an angle with this hypotenuse, we will simply say this is the adjacent. Again, then for us go re bereke ka di triangle pedi dingwe ke re ka tarnya ka di common sides ke tsone di tlo di re thusha gore re kgone go work out this one and this one. So mara re lebela di question pele gore na di question tsona ba reng. Again, question ya mathomashi ba re determine the length of AC. Again, and then how can the length of AC are which side? This side, the hypotenuse side. Can you see that? So really the hypotenuse side, because bampile this opposite side, the hypotenuse side, ke lebella mo di trig ratios gore ke efe ya ba le opposite le hypotenuse. So ge ke check ke khumana ile sign, so ke so I'm going to say the sine of 30 is equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Again, then I'm going to the problem solving. Then between so and toa, I'm going to use so because ke na ba opposite and hypotenuse. Now go tswela pele ke tlo re the sine of 30 le kana le opposite over hypotenuse ke substitution. For only substitution ko fa maraka. Now ke a work out since ke me AC the subject of the formula, mara ge o ka lebala AC ka mokiki ke denominator. I get. So ke tlo multiply ka AC both sides. Ge ke multiply ka AC both sides, AC ya ka mokitlo cancela AC ya ka mo, then ya ba ka mo side le ke ka ba le AC sin 30 is equals to 20 ka sala ka 20 ka moki again. Then ka ba le AC sin 30 is equals to 20. Then sunche ke sala ka AC ye ke ka moki sunche ke direng ke cancel sin 30 ke o remove sin 30 ka moki sunche ke direng ke cancel ka o divide ka sin 30 both sides. So ke divide 20 ka sin 30 ke khumela therefore my AC is equals to how many? 40 units. 11. Then moving to those questions again. Question ya where was I? Okay, question ya little determiner AC. Why this one already question ya little determiner the angle ACAD. I get Ramo diagram nyarna re nyaka angle CAD re nyaka angle C re sorta maso angle C A and then D here. So era ba tlo bolela ka angle F ye ya mogare kore ke CAD ba bolela ka angle ba ikushisa. So ga ba bolela ka angle ke re ba inyaka nambile from my previous worked problem ke khumana le gore AC yaka it was 40 units. So ke tsaba gore mo ke bokae ke 40 units. Mara for me to get this angle sunche ke identify my side ha leng ka mara right angle triangle egg with respect to this reference angle because ke nyaka again this AC with reference to this this angle it is the adjacent angle. It is making an angle with this hypotenuse. So this 60 here becomes my hypotenuse because it is opposite to 90 degrees. So it is my hypotenuse. So can hypotenuse mo can adjacent mo. Ya wal hypotenuse adjacent king cos banyaka angle. Era ke tlo shumisha cos kanyaka angle ya one. Okay. So when you got cos ke tlo reng in triangle ACD, let me put it here so that you can see it. In triangle ACD, okay, my AC is adjacent to 40, my AD is hypotenuse ke 60. So also katoa the only thing relevant is this curve. So the cos of that angle is 60 over opposite, adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 40 over 60. Again, namambile to remove this cos, I'll divide a cos. Because cos every time it's a mal angle. For us to remove this cos, sunche introduce the sign on this other side. So it is there on the calculator khota shift wa khota sign ya gago or wa khota cos ya gago itlo fa the cos. Then inside the brackets wa lekola 40 over 60 wa tlogela this one in nosh. Then wa khumana this angle ya rena ge re nyaka ga re divide ka cos moki because cos a etsa my in nosh etsa male angle. For us go remove re sentse re introduce a cos ka moki it is 40 over 60. Then go da mo calculator khumana le gore angle ya rena it is 48.19 degrees. We are done with this one. Then re ya go CD ya rena ke le side le lefe ke le side le la triangle yani ya ACD. Namile for us go renya ke because re khumane angle mo re ka shumisha di method tse tharo. Le side le kicking ke opposite again tlo nyaka dilo because re na le angle re na le maside a mabedi re ka shumisha tan re ka shumisha le sign because ke tsona tša go ba le opposite again re ka shumisha le theorem of Pythagoras because re na le maside a mabedi re nyaka la boraro and this is a right angle triangle. So re require gore re shumishe theorem of Pythagoras re shumishe sin re be re shumishe tan. Again we have three options. Now let me indulge you more the options in tše tharo gore na how do we solve those particular problems. So option 1 re shumishitše sin because re nyaka hypotenuse a ke re nyaka opposite re na le hypotenuse and ebile re na le angle re nyakile ebile 48.19. So re shumisha sin. So the sine of 48.19 is equals to CD is our opposite divided by 60, which is our hypotenuse. Again, then then we must get rid of this 60 as the denominator. So we multiply 60 both sides. Again, we multiply 60, we cancel 60, we only CD. Then on this other side, we 60 multiplied by a sine of 48,19. Then, making CD the subject of the formula, 60 multiplied by a sine of 48,19. Therefore, CD, it is 44,72 units. Option 1 because re na le maside a mabedi ebile re na le angle e 1, so re ka shumisha di method tse dintsi. I get this one, re shumishitse trig ratios ya sine because ne re nyaka opposite, re na le hypotenuse ebile re na le angle. Then let's move to the second option. Option 2, we used the theorem of Pythagoras. Remember what we use the theorem of Pythagoras. Remember what Renal said, like it is our adjacent, this is our hypotenuse, this is our opposite. So the hypotenuse squared is equals to the adjacent squared plus the opposite squared. I get it. So now the theorem of Pythagoras said the hypotenuse squared is equals to the sum of the squares on the other two sides. I get. Then hypotenuse is 60 degrees, 60. I get. So 60 squared is equals to our opposite is CD squared plus 40 squared. So making CD squared the subject of the formula. So 40 ibe minus. So ga minus come side le CD squared. Come side le 60 squared minus 40 squared. So then I rearrange gacha CD ka ka mukhi gacha eki gacha jeki ka tlisha ka mukhi ida o dibia ka muru dibia ka mu, it doesn't matter as long as CD ka lekana le 60 squared minus 40 squared. I'm sure ke akwahala mo. Again, then the square root ra remove this square ka square root ka mukhi ra khumana le gore our CD is equals to 44,72 is the same as that other one ya re shumisha sign. We're gonna verify the same answer. So get option 2, this one, yeah, theorem of Pythagoras. So let's go to the last option. So going to the last option, option 3, let's assume the trig ratios. I got the trig ratios two is opposite over adjacent. Renale adjacent here. Re le opposite here ke re nyakang re nayo ke re nyakang, so re ka gona o shumisha le tan gape because we have the angle here which is 48,119. So now re tlo shumisha tan. With tan we're going to say the tan of 48,19 is equals to opposite ya rena ke CD, adjacent ya rena ke 40. Ra multiply both sides ka 40, then 40 eki ya cancel 40 eki ka mukira ba le 40 multiply by tan 48,19 ya re fa CD. So CD ya rena le kana le 40 multiply by tan 48,19, and then at the end of the day again is a refer the same answer which is 44,72 units. It is the last option. Then going back to our question, we're going to do DE. Then our diagram, DE is in the last triangle. I get. And then in the last triangle rena le 60 fela. Arna le side le lengwe la bobedi ibile ga rena le angle. And ba re boditse gore angle e ke bokae? Ke 98. And already se rena le angle e ke bile rena le e khira re ka shumisha gore the sum the angle plus angle plus angle di tlo re fa 90 because ba re boditse gore le kana le 90 from here. Okay, ba re boditse this angle here le kana le 90. So re ka re le di le kana le 90 ra nyaka yeki, then we'll be able to solve the DE. Re ka solve DE re sna angle e. So let's go through our solution. Now, then on our solution we said this triangle this angle here, we're going to label it DAE. DAE ke angle. DAE ke this angle here. Then now rare 30 We said 30 plus 48,19, which is 48,19 plus DA is 90 because we are given. Okay. Then add this one, jumper 78,19 plus this one is equal to this. Taking this to the other side, then error 90 minus 78,19, which gives us 11,81. Meaning our angle here, it is 11,81. Nambile ke ne angle jwale ke ne le side le ra nkanya ka leki. Nambile with reference to this angle, the side le kicking, obviously it is all opposite. And then leki le bampileng lona le kicking ke adjacent. Era re ke tlo solve this DE ke tlo shumishang tan gore ke khumane this side DE. Okay, akere question re le kenya ke DE. So then now ka fetsa ka DE because it's our opposite ke re nyakang. Then AD, it is our adjacent ke ba re feeling. So the tan of 11,81 ile kana le DE over 60. So for us to cancel this 60, we will multiply ka 60 both sides. Okay, so 60 a cancel a ka sala ka DE ile kana le 60 multiplied by tan of 11,81 degrees. Then don't forget to write degrees here. Then going forward, ka ba le gore DE ya rena ile kana le 60 tan 11,81, which is equals to 12,55 units. Again, this one, yes, so it's only this option. So then this is our answer here. Then question ya last e re nya ka AE. So ga re lebeletse AE from our diagram, AE ya rena ke this side. So in triangle ADE, the AE with reference to this angle 11,81 ke hypotenuse. So rena le hypotenuse, rena le opposite re nyakile, rena le DAE. Era re ka shumisha how many options? 3 options. O ka shumisha theorem of Pythagoras ke tše di feature ba le hypotenuse di ratio. Rena le cos na le hypotenuse, rena le sine also ina le hypotenuse. Then is either theorem of Pythagoras ra shumisha saw or ra shumisha ka. So in this case ke shumisha one method, so the other method you will use it. So ke shumisha ka because the reason why I'm using ka ke shumisha information e ke nang le yona gore ke se kana maki ke delay too much, ke se kana maki shumisha information e ke calculate, because sometimes information e wena we calculate most of the time sometimes e ba wrong, and o khumala gore substitute the wrong units on the to filetša answer ga go e ba wrong lo feta. So the best way ko no ke no shumisha A1 ke calculating, which is 11,81, then ke shumisha le 60 which is our adjacent ke calculate our hypotenuse. So I used the cos. You can use all of them, you'll always be right. You can prove it right o shumisha method to tshwana lo like you shumishiteng ka 1.3. 3 methods are applicable. So with this one, you'll simply say the cos of 11,81 ile kana le adjacent over hypotenuse. Adjacent ka ke 60, hypotenuse is AE. Ke multiply le ka AE both sides. AE come side le cancel AE. Ka mo ka ba le AE cos 11,81. So gore ke tlo se this 11,81 ke sala ka AE. So ntse ke divide both sides ka cos 11,81 cos le ka mo ke divide ka 11,81. So ka mo ke ke divide ya cancel ya ka sala ka AE ka mo ke, then ka mo ke divide empire 61,30. AE is equal to 61,30 units.